reviews.
So the great thing about this product is that it is local to California. So this is the Fluffy Fresh California Bee Pollen, and I always add this on top of my smoothie bowl. And it's another superfood, and it's also very beautiful with its color. It adds that bright yellow color to it. So there's so many great benefits to bee pollen, to honey, to any bee product. I definitely encourage you to check them out. This one has been one of my favorites. I love the taste, and it's also just a really beautiful superfood. And one of the benefits from bee pollen is that it helps when you're dealing with allergies, you're battling allergies, and it's actually been shown to help reduce the symptoms of allergies.